I got a warning light on my dash letting me know that my brake fluid was low. So today I'm going to show you how to check it and top it off on my 2016 Chevy Silverado. Make sure your truck is off and on a flat surface, and you can locate your brake fluid reservoir. On this truck, it's a clear plastic container with a black cap sitting toward the back of the engine bay on the driver's side of the firewall. Notice that on the reservoir there's a min and max. The fluid should be in between those two lines. Slowly pour .3 brake fluid a little at a time. Keep checking the level so you don't overfill, and stop before it reaches the max line. Start your truck and check that the brake fluid warning light is gone. Gently press the brake pedal a few times to make sure it feels firm. That's it. Please like and subscribe.